Many reasons why the cities have become hotter. Not only that we have to think about using less coal, less fossil fuel, and even less electric energy, but how water used in the past that may actually help us to think about what your design for our three sites in this workshop.
70% 이상이 산이고 그러다 보니까 자연스럽게 계곡이 생기고 물길이 있었고 보면은 거기에 오버랩돼서 도시가 물길을 따라 구성이 됐었고 우리가 살아왔던 기억이나 문화가 물길하고 연관이 있고 그게 결국은 현대에 들어서는 도로와 동일하게 이어진다는 걸 알 수 있겠죠.
What is better between the using terrain or topography or the making building? So actually, I love the section where everything is shown interconnected. So, and also none of it was too much. Everything that is seen, heard, and feel is connected each other.
Try to develop a project and get rid of that stream underneath the water, or will develop the project to take out somehow the water hidden by the street.
It's a very simple question. If you start to dig in that area, what would you find? What would you discover? And how would design begin to identify the origins of the place from a geological and hydrological standpoint?
We have three sites, 복정우물, 보름우물, and 원서동 팔레트.
Is the design proposal of the Wonsadong washing area. The historical texture of the place was developed by redesigning and transforming it from a parking lot into a public space. So we have more greenery. We have a pool which was made from the repair stream. We also have a waterfall and some exhibit spaces around the area. For the cooling effect part, so what methods was used to cool the space? Firstly, by increasing the green area inside, overheating was prevented. The pool created with the repair stream cooled the environment with the evaporation effect, contribute to the cooling of the environment with the designed waterfall, and also water sprinklers were also used to reduce the space temperature.
I designed the ground floor and the basement floor. They can connect with a spiral staircase. And this is the air floor. I made the connected two hole for the air flow. This eco-friendly system could make air colder. This is outside of Bokjeongumul, and I pierced the retain wall like cave. And this is at the ground basement floor. When you go the downstairs, we can enjoy the circle water space like a pond from the spiral staircase and the linear water flow. So finally, we can reach the opposite side of the Bokjeongumul. So we can enjoy the water from Bokjeongumul than the outside.
I want to talk about the way to make pool building. I made cistern,
through the Bokjeong well because through it I can make water can gather more and more. I thought solar collector will work well because of the height difference, and there is no shadows around the left side. So through installing solar collector there, water can go up through the pump using solar powers. So air changes cool and moves following waterfalls there. This is the Bokjeong 우물, the right one. So I wanted to make Bokjeong water can go down into the below floors, and water can go up and down for the waterfalls in there. So air can be much more cooler in here. People come past mini well to public laundry site. Then you will also see Changdeokgung Palace where the waterway is connected. After that, it comes out through the underground community zone and the bamboo garden. Community zone and the bamboo garden make it possible to form a community residence. Below here, the following waterway will pass. The basement looks like this. People come along this waterway to the community zone where they can dip their feet in the water or play with the water. And along the waterway, people can go out to the bamboo garden. And this is the section. The path that people on the ground take is the opposite of the direction in which water flows. However, the underground road planned the route in a way that conforms to nature.
And the concept of this project is a sequence of 3 waterways: visible waterway, an invisible but sensible waterway, and invisible but influential waterway. I connected the bath and well with the waterway. The lower floors are converted to open space. It can be expected to create a shaded space in summer, becoming a community space for residents. The new well leading to waterway can be expected to cool the interior side with evaporative cooling and natural ventilation. And this is the diagram of airflow of this project. The heated air in the southern yard rises, and the water in the well and waterways evaporates, taking away the heat around them. This causes airflow from inside of the building.
And I want to bring this green place of side view and for air condition to laundry side. But this rampart is blocking the side view and air condition. My first design is increase space with remove concrete bridge because material of concrete absorb and emit lots of heat rather than stone and frame. Right, this is second design is bring the green place to the site. Because of site is underground, making the space below, and it will help site view and air circulation rate. I think this design will help KCC superficially.
I'm gonna restore the spring and make a linear park to cool the city. And also I dig my site and carve my site, and I flow the water into my site to make the place more cooler, that people can feel the wind and water and the light. And I think this would make this site, this will give this site new meaning. When you go down to these stairs, you can hear the waterfall, and people can feel that they are going into another place.
The stair-shaped design represents the vertical movement going down, and the black columns represent the vertical movement going up as it rises. Stair-shaped spaces are also used as moving lines, and black columns are designed to be connected to wells for cooling effect. First one, the black column that rises above is connected to the groundwater layer, and the air cooled by the groundwater is discharged out through the upper hose to apply the evaporative cooling effect that cools the surround air. Secondly, the theory of convection phenomena was applied to create a semi-basement space. More space was created in the area where the southeast wind blows, and openings were created to allow cool air to enter and hot air to escape to the opposite side, allowing the semi-basement space to remain cool.
이 궁궐의 내부가 과거의 모습을 담고 있다면 벽 바깥은 원소동의 골목으로 현재의 모습을 담고 있습니다. 벽 안쪽에서는 이 원소동 빨래터의 물길의 근원을 찾을 수 있고, 그리고 자연적이고 전통적인 풍경이 담겨 있고, 그리고 벽 바깥은 기존 구경천의 경로에 따라서 빨래터의 영역을 확장을 해서 원소동 골목의 커뮤니티의 기반이 될 수 있도록 오픈 스페이스를 구성하고자 했습니다. 그리고 벽 안쪽으로부터 흐르는 물이 벽 바깥으로 흐름으로써 이 물을 이용한 쿨링 시스템을 활용하고자 했습니다.